IonQ, the quantum computing stock, is scheduled to report a huge quarterly financial update on November 5th, 2025, after the stock markets close, and investors are curious if they should buy the stock before that big investor update. So here you see IonQ is scheduled to report its quarterly financial update on November 5th, 2025. If you go to their investors relations website, you'll see their upcoming earnings releases. Typically, surrounding earnings releases, a stock price is more volatile, and that's why investors like to know if they should buy before or after the earnings results, because the earnings results tend to have a big impact on the share price. Quantum computing stocks have been on a rally since government interest and a big announcement from JP Morgan Chase that it will be investing billions of dollars in the industry has created investor enthusiasm. Of course, this investor enthusiasm has been persisting for a little over a year now, ever since that initial surge in stock prices in quantum computing stocks in late 2023. And then we saw that continued momentum into 24 and now well into 2025. So these stocks have gained a lot of investor sentiment, even though they have yet to deliver those huge breakthroughs that investors are hoping for, and the biggest of which is a product that's good enough for enterprise use. Right now, most quantum computing is in research facilities, not in businesses that are deploying this technology for business use cases. When that happens, that's going to create a huge increase in business spending on quantum computing. And it seems like every time there's a big increase in the share price, you have the management teams of these companies making a big stock sale in order to benefit from that increase in share price. And I don't blame the management teams of these companies. I think that's what they should be doing, because their stock prices are increasing before they've delivered very much in terms of tangible results, in terms of sales growth or improvements in profit. Those are still many, many years away, and the companies need money in order to reach that point. They have some of the smartest people in the world working at these companies, and they command relatively high salaries in order to work at these companies. So you have to pay these individuals, and you need to be able to pay them for a relatively long amount of time until you develop that technology, which could be years and years away. Click the link below to watch the full video.